welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to stop by today. If you're one of my regular subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you continue to watch and leave me some comments, and remember, always give me a big thumbs up because that helps YouTube know I'm here and it really helps promote my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope if you like what you see today that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and also give me a big thumbs up. You leave me some comments too. What have I got going on for you today? Well, it is my niece's birthday coming up soon, and I have the cutest idea for a little gift for her, or to go along with the gift that I'm going to give her. And I'm so excited about it. I got the idea from watching one of the YouTube creators that I follow. Her name is Kelly Barlow, and it's Kelly Barlow Creations. She used nail polish from the Dollar Tree. I did not use nail polish, so I'm really excited about this. It turned out so cute, and it is so easy. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Now, what we're making today is a little birthday gift for my niece, whose birthday is coming up in a couple of days, and I just love her with my whole heart, so I want to do something special for her. She loves sunflowers, so I've got these sunflower stickers right here, and then I have the sunflowers there, the pics, and I'm gonna use that vase and also this Waverly matte finish acrylic paint, and it's in ivory. And then I'm also going to use the jute rope and then these foam flower things, whatever you call them, I don't know, to make her a little sunflower arrangement, because I know she'll just love it. The first thing I need to do is I need to go wash my vase. Now I will say this, I did not get any of this stuff at the Dollar Tree because it was too late to go to the Dollar Tree. So I had to go to Walmart. So all this came from Walmart, but it was still very inexpensive. These three items plus these two flower picks were 97 cents a piece. This Waverly paint was $1.67. The vase was just under $3. And then I'm not really sure how much these are, but you know, they're not ever really expensive. So it's gonna make a cute little present, and I can't wait to get started on it, particularly because it's very, very late, and I'm hoping I can get all this together because I'm gonna be seeing her tomorrow. And yeah, so I gotta hurry. Let me go wash this vase and I'll be right back. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna open my paint right here, and this is gonna be, let me shake this up a little bit first. This is something a little bit different. I've never done this before, but I saw Kelly Barlow on Kelly Barlow Creations. She is one of the crafters that I subscribe to her channel, but I saw her do this on her channel. I decided I wanted to use this, and I hope it works as good as what was on her channel. So anyway, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in here, just like this. Oh, and I'm gonna hope this is enough. Surely it will be. Okay. Now, and you probably already know what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to let this run all around and coat the inside of this vase. Now I do want to say, this is not chalk paint that I used. I am using the acrylic paint. I guess maybe the chalk paint would have worked just fine, but I don't know if it would have or not. And this is gonna take a minute. And here is the finished birthday gift. I just love this. I think it's just as cute and as precious as my little niece. And I hope she likes it too. I know she will because, well, even if she doesn't, she's just that sweet. She'll tell me she does anyway. But I do love it. And this is so easy and so simple. But guys, the whole time I was making it, I was thinking about her. And that made it worth it for me. Now there is one thing I want to show you just as a precaution. I let this dry overnight, and when I went to put the foam thing in with the flowers, it still messed up some of the paint, but fortunately it didn't in the front, because who's going to be looking at the back anyway, right? And that's all I have for you today, folks. Thank you so much for sharing in this very special birthday gift project with me. I can't wait to give it to my niece. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And lastly, remember, be kind, be blessed, but most of all, be crafty. See you next time.